inside the gate. Diamond Lester. Gates fly back the rope and raising. A good start. Here comes Diamond Lester. In the middle is Stormbreaker, Coquette, Geronimo, then followed by DreamWorks Iron Hand Manpower. Prince to go, while Showman is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight day travel, Diamond Lester leads by flank, followed by Coquette. Stormbreaker, very close third, down in fourth by half flank Geronimo. Here comes Iron Hand. And into the back they travel is still Diamond Lester, leads by Sam 2.5 lengths. Coquette is running in second. And Geronimo taking third, down in fourth, Stormbreaker and Iron Hand. Down the half mile they travel, Diamond Lester leads by Sam 2. Geronimo moving up now to take second. Coquette is running in third, Iron Hand and Stormbreaker. Inside the last 600, Diamond Lester leads by half a length. And Geronimo on the outside running in third is Coquette. Iron Hand and Stormbreaker inside the last 400. Geronimo takes the lead by a length, followed by Diamond Lester in second as they hit the final turn. With Geronimo from the outside, followed by Diamond Lester, Coquette. And moving up now is DreamWorks, but still Geronimo and Diamond Lester running in second. And at the wise old Geronimo, Diamond Lester, Coquette, Showman, DreamWorks, Stormbreaker, Manpower, Prince to go, and Iron Hand.
62473.
Galing.
Geronimo, only the third choice, selling 67.